Welcome to everyone. I'm pleased to introduce to you the newborn in the Bacciottini Group company, the OXO Multiskill. OXO Multiskill is a combined creasing and folding machine. In one pass, this machine can crease and fold sheets. But I think it's better to show immediately how easy to work with this machine. This is the feeder. Feeder is a low pile. We can put paper continuously also when the machine runs, so we don't have to stop the machine to put new paper. A little bit of gap. Now we check the length. This one is a 62.5 centimeters. Okay, 62.5, 0.20, this is 200 g.s.m, letter fold. Now the machine is ready. We press start. We eject all the sheets, we collect. Everything is perfect. Now we pass to another job, more difficult. This one is double laminated sheets. Different length. This one is 62.8, 62.8, and different thickness, 0.18. Now we are ready. This machine is a 50-70 machines. So now we try with the big sheets. We collect this one. Also with the laminated paper, no problem. This one is a sheet 50. Total brown, total black, no problem. Also with digital print paper. We have different kind of tool indicated for every type of paper. The length of the sheet is 65.9. 65.9. And the thickness is 0.15, is 150 g.s.m. Also with the total paint sheet, no problem. Now, for example, we can test and we can show you how this machine is faster with small sheets. This one is and sheet is 250 g.s.m. Small size. So we pass from 50, 70 more or less to the A4 sheets. Everything in the real time, so you can see how it's easy to work with this machine. Okay, no problem also with this type of paper. This paper is similar to A4, is 28.7. 28.7. Or now we test, for example, to fold the sheets in the middle. The machine is so fast, total red, in the middle. This machine is able to run A4 with one crease or one fold at 9,000 sheets per hour. Now we pass to the strong job. This one is a sheet, is more than our maximum. We say the machine is from 80 to 400 g.s.m. This one is 430. And to do this job, we change the channel of the tool. Till now we have worked with a narrow channel, and now we change to the wide channel for high thickness of paper. You can see how is so fast change tool or modify the channel of the tool. Here we have to increase a little bit the gap. This one is 43.2. We change here the paper length, 43.2, and also the thickness is 0.43. And letter fold. You can hear also the noise of the machine is increased, also because this one is a strong paper. Now, after 5 jobs creased and fold, we change setup of the machine, and we modify from creasing and folding machine to creasing machine only. First of all, we put down the black roller. in his storage. We lift up this one. And in the rear side of the machine we have the delivery table for creasing machine. We have one job here that we have to be creased. Machine changed automatically from creasing and folding to creasing machine only. Now we have the reset for creasing machine. And now the machine is ready to program the new job. 3 creasings. The first one 11.5, the second 12, and the third 11.5. We can adjust here the front stop of the paper, but sometimes we can use also the magnet for an easy adjustment. Three creasings. Check the accuracy. This is a typical of our creasing machine, because this one is the concept is the same of our creasing machine. In this moment we have a Bacciottini Group creasing machine, like pit stop, like FM high speed, nothing changed. So now we see, for example, here what happens when we crease and fold with the total print paper. This one is a creasing machine in this moment, but can be also a perforating machine. So now we change job and we change the tool, and I show you now how it's easy and fast to change tool in this machine and pass from creasing to perforating. Here we have the storage of the tool. This one is the perforating tool. Here we have the blade. This is a 2-1 blades, but 3-1, 4-1, all kind of blades are available. This is a matrix counter blade that we can use 4 times before to replace. Now we have to change the setup here from creasing tool to perforating tool, and now the machine is ready to perform the job that before we have creased. This one is a 350 g.s.m. sheets, and we can perform. Now we perform also the 50-70 sheets. We modify here the magnet guide. We change paper. This machine is a 50-70, but also the extension feeder is available, and the maximum length of the sheet can be 100. We can put more paper, but unfortunately we have brown also this one. Delivery is ready, and we can change the program. 2 perforations, 20 centimeters and 20 again. And now we have perfored the 50 centimeters sheets. We can do in one sheet till 40 perforations or 40 creasing. We can add also creasing at the creasing and folded sheets. For example, we have one job here like this one. We have 2 creasings and folding, but for example in the middle we can add till 38 creasing more than this. So here there is everything we did before. We have 5 jobs creased and fold. Then we have the job that we have creased and perforated. Same this one, the job that we have perforated. Machine is available in 3 phases like this. Otherwise, there is also a model single phase machine for who want the machine a single phase. I think for now it is everything, and keep in touch for the next video from Bacciottini Group company. Bye bye.